So now let's see how we can work around with Live Sketch inside of Corel Draw. So in order to work around with Live Sketch, I need to go around over here onto my section right here with the brush. And here you can see that Live Sketch is an option. So here you can go around and change around the amount of how much you want the time for the difference between the Live Sketch. And then you can also go around and change around the smoothness right here, just like this. So now once you do that, as you would draw, so if you're using a tablet, you can simply go around and overlap it out, as you can see. And what happens is that you can refine out the sketch like this, just like this. So you can go around, I made an oval, draw on top of it, and you can refine it out further. Let's go around and draw right here, and you can see that you can go ahead and draw out something just like this. So let's say, for example, I have this. You can simply go around and draw out right here, just like this right here, and you can see that this is how you can go around with the Live Sketch right here, just like this. So let me just go around and draw around right here, draw around right here, just like this, draw around right here. And let's say, for example, just adjust it out right here, just like this as well. Just go around and draw around right here, draw around right here as well. So as I go around over here, I can go around and draw the stem right here, just like this. So you can go around and further adjust everything out right here, just like this. And then let's say, for example, go around and merge it out. So let's just go around and merge it right here, just like this. And there you go. You can see that I can go around and change this out. You can go around right here, just like this, and then draw around right here, just like this. And then this is what you have, as you can see. So you can go around and then change this around. So let's just go around and further change this around right here. And then let's say, for example, correct this out right here, just like this. So let's just go around over here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this part out right here. So let's just go around over here and delete these part out right here, just like this. So you can go around and delete it, and then you can go around and then utilize the Live Sketch pen tool again. So let's just go around onto Live Sketch, and you can see that you can go around and then further just arrange this out according to how you want. So that is how you can go around and draw out as you like. So you can have multiple lines together and then merge it out together right here, just like this, in order for the Live Sketch to work. So you can overlap them out, and then you can see that you can go around and merge them out together, just like this, as you can see right here. So that is how you can work around with the Live Sketch, and this is especially useful when you're actually utilizing tablet inside of Corel Draw. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.